Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Startups can make their business more valuable if they collect data and turn it into a revenue-generating product. Many startups providing a service can collect data about the process, the customer, the market, and more. Raw data is not of value. It must be refined and there needs to be a market for it. In your startup, look at the process you are running to see what data can be mined. For example, if you provide microloans to businesses, what is the credit rating of those who pay back consistently? Others will pay for this information. Here are some key points to consider for mining data from your business. Aggregating customer data can prove to be valuable information. Look for applications where you can capture data automatically. Network effects can increase the value of the data too. The more unique your data set, the more valuable it will be. Having a large data set can be used to market your product or service as it increases the perceived value to the customer. Data sets can provide a competitive advantage for your business. And finally, you can glean insights from the data to create AI algorithms. In fundraising, communicate your data strategy and show it as a competitive advantage and a potential revenue stream. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.